Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 267, which kicks you out of a game. First, if this error only happens in one specific game, the problem may be on the developer side. Some games have automatic anti-cheat systems that can remove players by mistake, or a moderator may have kicked or banned you from that experience. You can check the game's community page or contact the creator if needed. Next, you should also check your firewall settings. Open Windows Search, type Allow an app through Windows Firewall, and press Enter. Click Change Settings, then look for Roblox or Roblox Launcher and make sure both private and public boxes are checked. Click OK to save. If Roblox is missing, click Allow another app, select Browse, and find Roblox Player inside the Roblox installation folder. Add it. Enable both private and public options, and save the changes. You can also clear temporary Roblox files. Press Windows key and R, type %local app data %, and press Enter. Open the Roblox folder, then the Downloads folder, and delete everything inside. Empty the recycle bin and restart your computer. If you still have the same problem, uninstall Roblox completely and reinstall the latest version. Thanks for watching.